Welcome to our channel once again, my friends. If it's your first time here, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. So Mother's Day is tomorrow, and we thought we'd give you guys a suggestion on something you can make for mom, a meal you can make for mom on this special day. We're going to be making today some fried rice and some baked chicken. That's a popular dish in Guyana on special occasions. So we thought we'd share that with you today, give you a suggestion as to what you can, could do for mom tomorrow. And even if you don't want to make this, you can make, one of the combination of the many other dishes suitable for an occasion like Mother's Day, which is on our channel. All traditional Guyanese recipes. So the ingredients are laid out here for our two dishes, our baked chicken and our fried rice. Without further ado, let's get started, guys. So as usual, you want to prepare your ingredients first, guys. That's our celery all chopped already. Now for our shallot. So this fried rice we are making, guys, if you've never tried it, this fried rice is yummy. So we're gonna cut up our two broadleaf thyme now, or pudina, fresh as ever, just off the tree. So we're not adding a lot of pepper to this fried rice, guys, but feel free to add how much you want or not at all. So you're gonna need some green mora for your fried rice. So our mora is all cut up. We also have some vegetables we're gonna be using in our fried rice. So this is our rice we have washed. So we've heated up some oil here, my friends. We're gonna start with our rice first. And we're adding some onions. And we just added the pounded garlic there, pounded garlic. So we are adding the rice which we've washed. So you can certainly use cooked rice you've had in the fridge for this recipe, guys, if you want to. So you're gonna add some black pepper now. Salt. This is some fried rice seasoning we're gonna go in with now. So this is what we're using. And now we're gonna go in with some spice powder. Give that a good mix, of course. So now we're going to add some cashew. So you're going to let this season up your rice well. So you want to cook this for a little bit. You want all those flavors to come together in there. Infuse with your rice. So after a little bit, you're going to add your water. Now you're adding hot water. So all the measurements will be in the description, guys. The amount of rice, the amount of water and everything. So you're going to be able to make this dish perfect. So we're going to cover that now. I'll let it cook. So at this time we've just reduced our heat now. And it's down to medium to low. So you just want this to simmer, not to boil away. So you just want to turn your stove down a little bit now, low to medium. So we're gonna go blend some garlic, broadleaf thyme, onion, scallion, and celery. And we're gonna show you after when that's done. So we've already washed our chicken, guys. Our rice is still cooking. And we can season our chicken now for the baked chicken. So we're using some all-purpose seasoning, as you can see here. We're gonna add some of that first. Next, we're gonna add some chicken seasoning. Add some black pepper, salt to taste. And we're gonna add some Chinese sauce now. This is some cashew. So that's the blend up seasoning that I showed you guys earlier. Now we're gonna go blend up. That's it there. So we added all of that in here now. Now you want to give this a good mix. So you're gonna rub in that seasoning into your chicken well. So that's it. You're gonna put this aside now until you're ready for it. So we're done seasoning our chicken, guys, and we put it aside to rest. So now we're gonna check out the rice now, and the rice should be done. There you go. So you're gonna fluff this up now. So there you go, guys. This rice is done. This is ready. So we're gonna continue with the other ingredients that we have to add to our fried rice. So we're gonna leave this aside for it to cool off a bit while we're gonna get the other ingredients for this fried rice. So before we get the vegetables ready to add to our rice, we're gonna put our chicken in the oven. We have heated the oven already. And the baking temperature and the time, everything is gonna be in the description box, guys. So we're gonna slide this into the oven right now. Our oven is heated already. So we're gonna finish off our fried rice now, guys, and we're gonna use the same. We've have our rice in a plate now, so we're gonna use the same pan to finish off the rice. We're gonna add some oil to this pan now. So our oil is hot, guys, so we're gonna add our onions. Now we're gonna fry that up a bit. So we have the scallions, the celery, and the bora, carrots, the mixed vegetables. So we're gonna add the mixed vegetables first because that's a bit harder, right? So we're gonna cook that for a little bit first. So you want this to soften up a little bit first before you add your scallions and so on, which is going to cook very quickly. Now we're going to add some salt here now. Some black pepper. Some fried rice seasoning. And some spice powder. So this has softened up a bit, guys. Now we're gonna add our scallion and celery, broadleaf thyme, and the pepper now. So this now only needs to be fried up here for about 30-45 seconds because your scallions and so on doesn't need long to be cooked. This is smelling so good, guys. So now we're gonna add our rice. So we have turned off our stove at this point, guys. You don't need to cook anything more. Here now, so you're only mixing now. And look how yummy that is looking, guys. I'm pretty sure Mom is gonna love a plate of this with some of the baked chicken. And I'll link the potato salad and the macaroni salad so you guys can choose if you want to make both or either. But we have already made some coleslaw, so I'm going to show you this. We don't have a recipe for the coleslaw as yet, but I'm pretty sure some of you guys are going to want to do the macaroni salad or the potato salad for this. So we've removed our fried rice on the stove, guys. You don't want this to be cooked anymore and dry out. Once the last seasoning is fried and you mix it in the rice, you want to turn off the stove, remove this from the heat. And that's it there, guys. That's our fried rice is done. It's ready. So we're going to check out the chicken. So our chicken is ready, guys. So we're going to remove this from the oven now. So here is our baked chicken, guys. Does that look good? Mom will love this. So here it is, guys. Fried rice and baked chicken. We have some coleslaw, as I said, to go with this. But I'll link the recipe for the macaroni salad and our potato salad so you guys can make both of those or either, whichever one you like. So that's it here, guys. A nice meal for Mother's Day you can make for Mom. So here's our finished meal, guys. Doesn't that look yummy? I'm pretty sure Mom is gonna love this. If you like this video, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please turn notifications on your phone as well in order to get those notifications. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.